them. I don't think they're very good, but fucking lost by 1 there. That's unfortunate. Is that lethal already? Oh, that's so frustrating. Okay, we go again. Welcome back, everyone, to a new Super Auto Pits challenge. I know recently my posts have been a little here and there. I was sick at the beginning of the week, so I wanted to kind of take a break from Super Auto Pits and posting, but I am back, as you saw from yesterday's video. I'm sorry about the audio. I gotta get that figured out with other individuals in the Discord playing with me, but we'll work on that next time. So today's challenge was actually brought to you by Mystic Jaw from the last video. We are going to do 4 legs only and see if we can get 10 wins. So in this mode, we really have to use the free-to-play. There's not really an option to use the other because they have so many bugs in it. I hate using pigs in general, but we gotta roll it. This is fucking stupid already. Equipment, I think equipment can be used. Like, honey's okay. I think I have to freeze both of these and just roll. I'm okay with this. We get a guaranteed level 3 next round. Fishy fossils. Obviously, I don't win this one. That's alright. We're building for the next rounds. These are building blocks. I fucking hate this. Oh, yeah. I mean, that's all we got. Rolling. Oh, my goodness. But that looks actually very hot so far. I like it. T-tiered up early on. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. We'll take early losses over late losses. Can't use the spider. See what we get here. Ox has 4 legs. Fuck yeah. Probably should have played the horse first, but you know, we're not perfect. And this is not an optimal run as is. We're gonna put you there. Can't use any of you. May as well freeze some apples so we get some buffs here. I can't kill the pig, because then that goes against the whole challenge. We like what we see so far. I'm okay with the draw. The draws are better than losses in every situation. I think we sell you. Move you to the front. You have 2 legs, you little shitter. I think potentially buffing the ox a bit here. Hedgehog also has the potential here. Let's combine you. Hedgehog only has 4 legs, right? Yeah. I'm not crazy by thinking that. I think we're good here. Yeah, that's what we went around. Something like this. We're hoping for a level 3 horse here. Damn, that's a big cricket. He got so much buffs on that cricket already. We're okay though. We're okay. We're looking okay. Damn, we take a loss. 1 health again. Fuck. Turtle's good here. The bison is what we were looking for. Let's fucking go. We have 6. Do we know Turtle's good? I need another horse, but for now, this is how it's gonna have to work. I like this squad so far. I really do. Just need 1 horse. 1 horse. This is not looking good. Damn, we almost got a draw though. We still haven't fucking won one, but we did get a really rough start, in all honesty. I'm okay with using you. At this point, I think I roll for the level 3. Draft's not bad. Give me a horse. Give me the boy. In all honesty, the hedgehog's probably not along for the ride. Let's rock something like this. We can get these buffs off for now. Still looking for that level 3 horse. I hate horses in general. I hate using them. I don't think they're very good. but fucking lost by 1 there. That's unfortunate. Is that lethal already? Oh, that's so frustrating. Okay, we go again, but we have a good idea of what we want. So, Otter has 4 legs. I don't care if you count those as hands. He walks on 4 legs. Freeze you and roll, because we need to get the buff out for something. And honey on the Otter has to happen. Because that's the only buy we have for that, so. Man, I hope you guys been doing well. I'm kind of disappointed that I haven't been able to play more, what is it, Inscription? I really enjoyed that, but I want to make sure that when I play it, I'm at a high energy level, if that makes sense. Because that game is something else. It's been very enjoyable. I've been dying to get back to it, but I just haven't had the chance to yet. But I promise we will have more Inscription, hopefully at the end of this week. Maybe this weekend even, who knows? But I haven't quite decided on the timing for that, so it will come though, don't worry. Beavers have 4 legs. They use 2 of them kind of as hands, but I count these as legs. We honestly have a pretty decent squad right now. I would love a fucking win. Bastards out here getting good at this game. Not doing challenges. Just, they want this golden poop. Fuck. You only have 2 legs and 2 hands. I can't use you, you little bastard. You're completely worthless to me. In every sense of the word, as sad as it is. No, I wanted to put it on the beaver. I didn't mean to let go there. This is a really terrible squad. I thought we had more potential, but we didn't get what we needed for a tier 3 unit. And this motherfucker is gonna scale. No, we're okay, actually. Damn it! We tried again! These dudes just... We just need that little edge above these people. Rabbit's got 4 legs. Let's fucking go. Give me the food. I'm freezing both of you. Don't need either. Probably should freeze both, in all honesty. I know the horse isn't along for the ride. And the beaver we may as well use eventually. You know? That would be a... Fucking hell. Would the horse be better or the beaver? The horse actually has better... We're selling the beaver eventually. Fuck that. The horse is what we need to buff. I hate doing it, but this is what we need to buff. Give me 6/6 horse. That's okay. Could use a rat. Rat's just kind of ass in general, so I don't like using it. He's strong if... He's honestly strong if we need some wins. I don't know why you're running that in the front, homie. Yes, we won one! Fuck you, a dad in time. May as well. May as well. Don't want you. Y'all are useless. We buff you again. It feels disgusting to buff a horse. Gross unit. Oh, I love these hats. I haven't even seen these. Are these new? Or am I just unaware of these hats? That's a little bit rough. And you got a badger. That's okay. Butthole warrior. I lost a butthole warrior. How fucking unfortunate. Freeze you. Definitely want to combine you and buy you for this. Dolphin, you don't have any feet at all. You are useless to me. This gives out another buff. And I could use an elephant. He's got 4 legs. Give me the buffs. I'll save that garlic armor for now. All honestly, the honey's pretty decent too. Man, this Kansas weather has been killing my lips. They've been dry all week. I respect the attempted play, but I think we just take you. Yep, good job. We're getting some dubs here. We're getting some dubs here. Ox. Had an opportunity to use it last time. I think we go for it this time as well. You gotta stay, honestly. We can use you. Give the buffs out. Like seeing that. Like seeing you. Like seeing you. Turtle or skunk? What would you replace here? The sheep's not bad for it being... for using a horse. We're gonna replace the elephant at some point. So I'm unfreezing you. I don't think the turtle's along for the ride, though. I think this is something we do like this. Keep buffing the horse as much as I hate doing it. You'll consistently hear me complain about buffing this thing. I hate losing by 1, man. Fuck. We're okay. We're okay. Oh, damn. That was a close one, though. Timmy T took us for the ride there. We are on lethal. Damn, if I would have seen a dog earlier, that'd be nice. Okay, so you're gone. We're gonna play you. I know I don't want the otter. It's only a 5/9. Probably not gonna buy any more. So we can run something like this for now. We get a roll. That's complete dog shit. So what do we buff? Probably the ox, because the melon armor is huge. I'm okay with that. I'm really worried about this round, though. I don't think we win it, as sad as it is to say. People that use the sheep... I guess you really don't have an option to use anything but the sheep in the front, but... got very lucky on that one. Gonna get very lucky on this one, too, because I think we just take you, big dog. Oh, fuck. We lost, but we took the draw. Why not? The draft. The draft. The draft. We'll do something spicy, I guess. Never did get that level 3 that we wanted. Huh. I think... fuck me, dude. I think this is the way to go. And just we hope. I don't think you're along for the ride either, as sad as it is. But we need some scaling to even potentially think about winning this. Fuck, we lose. GG's. We go again. People have gotten a lot better at this game. And this challenge in all reality is pretty difficult. As odd as it seems. We lose out on like half of the animals we can use. Suspicious streamers. Going with the alliteration. Jesus, we hard lose some of these, man. Take another beaver. We roll because we don't got shit. By you. We just keep buffing this pig. 6'4" pig. You are fucking huge, homie. Wilbur's gotten big since the last time I've seen him. Lucky roll here. Unfortunate that hit there. I don't think we would have won anyway, though. But regardless, it was unfortunate where that buff landed too. There we go. We get a level 3 here. And it's an ox. Let's go. And we'll honey the next unit. Okay. I don't know what kind of challenge you're doing, brother, but it's a little bit more out there than mine is. Give the ox a temporary buff. Unfortunate how that happened, but we still win. Thank God. We'll see a fast crane. It's better badger. Oh, we could run the meme build even. Okay. Fuck it, we meatbone the hedgehog. Our units are good. Hopefully their units are lower health. We'll see how this works. Deuces. We have a very similar build, but you're me but better, because you can use a fish. Oh, but I win! No, I don't! Damn it! I got too excited. Fuck. Oh, we do get a level 2 hedgehog here. So you're gonna move to the very not very back, but almost very back. We may need to buff you in all honesty. Pig. We're gonna freeze you, and then we're gonna double buff the badger so it stays alive after the hedgehog dies. This may be our route to 10 wins is badger hedgehog, or at least badger. We're okay. Sucks that you keep damaging that, but 22. No, we do fucking draw, man. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. We need to make the right decisions here. You have so many legs. Huh, okay. This is actually not bad. You're not here for long. Bye, you. Like seeing that. I think potentially hippo is better than ox. So I think I'm going to freeze you. And I think my buff's going to go to the... God, what am I doing? The camel for now, I guess. Give it more health so when I buy the hippo instead of this. I could even freeze you for later. The opportunities are endless. No, I'm kidding. We're actually kind of in a rough situation for... Oh my goodness. Oh, we killed a lot. We win this. Fuck yes. How do we win that one but not the others? We were in more of a rough situation with that one. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's do something like this for now. Because if I can get a level 2, then we're really looking heavy. That was rough. Losing to these no-armed animals. Bastards. I mean... Dude, I don't know here. Need to give you that, I guess. Rhino wouldn't be bad. Man, I was really hoping to see another turtle. Killing the turtle is really not even an option. Go something like this for now. Holy fuck, Fort. I'm just getting fucked by my own team now. That's not even cool. And we still got one chance. Fuck your alligator. You're a hoe. I don't know why I didn't do this before. in all honesty, but can't even buy you, snail. Get out of my shop. We still have a chance. This hippo can go off. If we're lucky enough, it's not going to go off. Oh, it may. It went off well enough. Their tier 6 unit fucking destroys us. No, damn. The best we did was 3 wins. We go again. Okay. Freeze. Roll. Fucking love it. Fucking love it. Hot soup. Good soup. I'm not even sure what kind of meme that is yet, but good soup is good soup, I guess. Hey, we'll take a draw. Early draws are okay. Give me more of you. The beaver shall live forever. Yeah, why not? I maybe should have put it on the fucking pig, but it's alright. If I put it on the pig, we're wasting the 3 gold for the equipment when I could, in reality, just keep it being used here. Yeah, see, so it worked out. Not putting it on the pig. The potential already, dude. Holy shit. Okay. How do I do this? Do I want the horses? Let's not roll with the horse. Let's see what we get without the horse. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Do I meatbone the otter? Or do I just keep buffing the beaver? I think the meatbone is more bang for your buck. As soon as I get that honey, it's going on the beaver. We're winning rounds, boys. This is it. Ooh. So I could level you up. Let's see what we get. A camel. We'll freeze the camel. We don't want the elephant. The honey is what we needed. Let's get it. And for now, the camel can stay. Because we're going to probably want it in place of this beaver when we combine. At least for now, that's what I'm thinking. It may change in the future. What's up, monkey? What's up, big motherfucker? You already got. But we take these dubs. Easy dubs. Let's go. And we haven't lost one yet. This is looking good. This is looking good. Again, I don't want to speak too soon. Holy shit. Okay. If we sell pig, buy ox. They give me 10 gold? Okay. I can never do the quick math for that, honestly. Freeze you. Roll. Oh, fucking freeze you again, boy. Love it. I think we in turn here. Sheep's okay, but I don't think we need it. Huge meat. This sounds gross saying it, but it's okay. Oh, we beat you. GG, easy, centipede. Spell it correctly, maybe you'll win some games. What you know about winning games, sir? I'm gonna roll. I want to save this for next round. I would like the buff, but in all reality, I'm okay with not getting it yet. I'm gonna just keep buffing you for now. But I want to level up on the next round so I can get this tier 5 unit earlier than what I would normally plan on doing. Give me the buffs. Oh my god, it's looking so much better, boys. We got some good RNG. I don't think I can consider the monkey to have 4 legs. I think I'd do a quick Google search. And see what Google says. Fuck. It says they have two arms and 2 legs. They specify it. I can't break the rules. I just can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. The skunk's good. Skunk has potential. I think we're rocking something like this for now and we're rolling. Oh my goodness. And I think I sell beaver. Good hits. And I think I go here. And then... Oh yeah, this is actually not looking bad at all. I like it. Give me the buffs. My overall scaling is fairly poor. I'm not gonna lie. But I think with time... No, fuck, this one was rough. If I go against shooters, I'm losing. But at the same time... I can get shooters of my own. Okay, the ox is a 6-9. I feel like it's gotta stay. You are out. You're frozen. Badger's still at the back. We can roll crocodile at the front. And we roll. Can't run a snail. Can possibly run a deer. May as well freeze you. The badger is nice. We need to up the badger's health to win these, I think. I should have unfroze the deer because it's not something I'm actually gonna buy. I like it. I like it. We're looking good here. Fuck yeah. Fuck you, Naughty. Not much there. Still not looking good. For now, give me a badger. Freeze you. I'm going to sell you the giraffe at some point. And then put the tiger probably behind the skunk. So we're lowering the health of all the units that we're fighting. Or not all, but 2. So we can do something like that easier. Because this looks good too. It's a lot of spawns. But I think we're okay. Yeah, good shit. Good shit. Good shit. You were useful while you lasted. Well, I can rock you on that. Why not? That's so huge, honestly. Oh, we win this shit. Oh, let's get it. We are so close. We are so close. Need you. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Okay, dragon has... This specific dragon has 4 arms. Do I think it's something I can use? Not a fucking chance. But I think the honey in front of the ox has potential as well. Holy shit. I am so glad that I could do that. Fuck yeah, Mike Hawk. Okay. Oh my gosh. We have so many opportunities here and we're so fucking close to getting a dub. Alright. I think I freeze the chocolate and I freeze the badger. This gives me an opportunity to roll once and buy 3 things if I have the chance to. Okay. Didn't get it. Don't know where the chocolate's going to go, in all honesty. So I'm rolling until I can find something that the chocolate... why would I find something the chocolate could be used for? Honestly, I think it goes for the skunk. I don't even think there's a second guess in that. Reducing the health by 99% is so useful. I think we can get this here. Let's get it. Oh, we run against a squad that's similar to what we were against last time. You die, but it's okay. Damn, lots of health there. Fuck, we were so close. Okay, we still have a chance, though. We still have a lot of lives. A melon armor. Freeze you. Badger, gotta buy you. We have 2 melon armors now. I don't think... I maybe should... I can't melon armor the badgers. Fuck, but you can do 10 damage and kill it. Please get a weak squad. Oh, that dying is really unfortunate. Fuck. Okay, we have one more chance here. Pair we have to freeze. Roll. Fuck. Huh. I think we give this to the ox for now. We roll. Oh my god, let's go. Freeze you. Roll. Roll. This is alright. This is our last chance. We are so close. We have 2 more wins to get it. This is a big squad. And we killed half our fucking units, damn it! Oh, and he survived by 1. Fuck, we were so close. Damn. Look how low our health was compared to them. We almost won to anyway. GG's everyone. We gave it our best go. We may try this again. I really enjoyed it. For the rest of this week, I do plan on posting some more Super Auto Pets. And then possibly this weekend, I think is going to be some more Inscription. Let me know what other games you guys want to see. There are some other roguelikes that I would like to play, but I'm not sure how content-wise they would work based on my channel and just what people want to watch. So I will see you guys in the next one, and deuces.